Okay, so let's talk about how to actually perform CPR. Now, depending on what course you're taking, it could change a little bit, but 30 and 2 is the guideline for adults. Whether you're a school teacher or a paramedic, 30 and 2 is always the guideline for adults. When we talk about actually performing CPR, we all have heard that song, Staying Alive, right? The newer song is Baby Shark. What that means is you're just compressing down at a rate of about 100 to 120 compressions per minute. Okay. When we talk about an adult patient, we're going to again perform 30 compressions, 2 breaths, 32, 32, 32, and so on. And the depth that we're looking to compress down on an adult is at least 2 inches down. Now, a lot of times we get the questions of, how do I really know in real life how far I'm compressing? Well, the American Heart Association studies show that typically people are not compressing down deep enough. So we typically say, don't be afraid to compress too deep, because in real life, most times people are not compressing deep enough. When we actually look at our hand placement, we always recommend put your hand in this patient's armpit, come straight across. We're going to bury the base of our hand there in the center of the chest. That's where most of our pressure is coming from, is the base of the hand. So again, armpit across. You can either overlap your hands or you can interlock your fingers, whatever's more comfortable to you as the rescuer. Now, the more leverage I get, the easier it's going to be for me to do compression. So you really want to put all your body weight over the patient. You can see my elbows locked out, my shoulders directly over my hands. And again, on an adult, we're compressing at least 2 inches down. Now with our mannequins, they're going to give you feedback if you compress at least 2 inches down. You're going to hear that click, okay? We also have electric monitoring here in the mannequin that's going to show me if I'm compressing at that 100 to 120 compressions per minute. So again, armpit across, my base of my hands in the center of the chest. I like to overlap my hands, but again, you can also interlock them, and then I'm just compressing down. So as I compress down, you can hear that clicking sound, right? And I would count out loud 7, 8, 9, all the way to 30, okay? Now in the mannequin here, we also have those 2 green lights. That's going to let me know that my compressions are between that 100 to 120 compressions per minute. When we talk about giving breaths, what we're going to do is we will pinch the nose, grab the chin, we're going to tilt that head back, cover their mouth with yours, and we're going to give 2 breaths. What we're looking for is chest rise and fall. That's going to let us know our breaths are effective. When we talk about who's eligible for the courses, anybody can take an American Heart Association course. There's no age requirement. Okay, we have senior citizens taking the course. We also have high school students, right? We have Boy Scouts that we teach, Girl Scouts, okay? When you're talking about using it for job requirements, okay, in healthcare, you're again referred to the BLS or Basic Life Support course. When you're talking about maybe Boy Scouts, Girl Scouts, just taking it for general knowledge, we would put you in the Heart Saver course. So again, check our website. You'll see all the dates you can sign up for, the prices, all that other information is on our website, so you can register through the site.